The world is changing fast. Technology is at the forefront of this change. Every industry is being reshaped by software, data, and automation. This transformation is creating incredible opportunities. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, these aren't just buzzwords. Companies everywhere are searching for skilled professionals to navigate this new landscape. There are more open jobs than qualified people to fill them. What does this mean for you? It means a chance to step into a field brimming with potential. Even if you haven't considered yourself a tech person before, this guide is your roadmap. We'll break down the steps to transition into a rewarding tech career. Let's get started. More than just code. Many people shy away from tech, thinking it's all about complex coding. While technical skills are important, they're not the whole picture. The tech world needs diverse talents. Think about problem solving, communication, and creative thinking. These are valuable skills in any profession and highly sought after in tech. Beyond the work itself, a tech career offers unique advantages, high salaries, remote work options, and immense growth potential. But perhaps the most compelling reason is the impact. Tech allows you to build, create, and innovate, to be a part of something bigger than yourself. It's about making a real difference in the world. Changing careers can seem daunting, especially when entering a field as dynamic as tech. But don't let that intimidate you. This guide will break down the process into manageable steps. We'll explore how to identify your existing skills and leverage them in a tech context. You'll learn how to build a strong professional network within the tech industry. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your tech transformation starts now. You might be surprised to learn you already possess valuable skills for a tech career. Don't underestimate the power of your past experiences. Whether you've been in sales, education, healthcare, or any other field, you've developed valuable skills transferable to tech. Think back on your career. Have you ever had to analyze data to make decisions? Maybe you excelled at explaining complex information clearly. These abilities are gold in the tech world. Tech companies need people who can think critically, communicate effectively, and navigate challenges. The first step is to identify these hidden superpowers. Jot down all the skills you've acquired throughout your career. Transferable skills, your secret weapon. Let's explore some common transferable skills highly valued in the tech industry. Problem solving is a big one. Tech is all about finding solutions, whether it's debugging code or troubleshooting technical issues. Communication is another essential skill. Tech professionals often work in teams, collaborating on projects and explaining technical concepts to non-technical colleagues. Analytical thinking is also crucial. The ability to gather, interpret, and analyze data is essential in many tech roles. Don't forget about adaptability and willingness to learn. Your ability to adapt and learn quickly will set you apart. Bridging the gap from traditional to tech. Now that you've identified your transferable skills, it's time to connect the dots between your past experience and the tech world. This involves highlighting how your existing skills translate into specific tech roles. For example, if you've worked in sales, emphasize your communication, persuasion, and relationship-building skills. If you come from a teaching background, leverage your communication, instructional design, and ability to explain complex concepts clearly. The key is to reframe your experiences through a tech lens. Think about the skills required for the different tech roles and identify how your background aligns with those requirements. This will help you target your job search and effectively communicate your value to potential employers. Highlighting your value, a tech resume makeover. Your resume is your first impression, and in the competitive tech industry, it needs to stand out. Start by replacing generic job titles with more tech-specific language. Next, revamp your skills section with specific keywords relevant to the tech industry. Finally, tailor your work experience to highlight the relevance of your past roles to tech. Use action verbs and quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. For example, instead of managed customer accounts, say managed a portfolio of over 100 customer accounts. exceeding sales targets by 15%. This will make your resume more compelling to tech employers. Level up, acquiring in-demand tech skills. You've identified your transferable skills. Now it's time to acquire the tech-specific knowledge to complement them. The tech world is more accessible than ever, with abundant resources designed for all levels. First, determine which tech domain excites you most. Once you've identified your niche, research the in-demand skills within that area. For web development, this might include languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Data science often requires proficiency in Python or R, along with knowledge of statistical concepts. Remember, you don't need to become a technical expert overnight. Focus on building a solid foundation in the fundamental skills relevant to your chosen domain. Your tech toolkit. Choosing the right learning path. With countless resources available, finding the right learning path can feel overwhelming. The good news is there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Online courses offer flexibility and affordability. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX provide a vast library of courses on various tech subjects. Coding boot camps provide an immersive, fast-paced learning experience. These intensive programs typically last several months and focus on equipping you with practical skills to jumpstart your tech career. Don't underestimate the power of self-study. Numerous free resources are available online, including tutorials, documentation, and online communities. The key is to be disciplined. Create a study plan and stick to it. The power of practice, building projects, and confidence. Learning the theory is essential, but true mastery comes from hands-on experience. As you acquire new skills, put them into practice by working on real-world projects. Start with small, manageable projects that align with your interests. If you're learning web development, create a simple website for yourself or a friend. For data science, try analyzing a dataset that intrigues you. In cybersecurity, set up a home network and experiment with different security measures. As you gain confidence, challenge yourself with more complex projects. Collaborate with others on open-source projects or participate in hackathons. The more you practice, the more confident and proficient you'll become in your chosen tech domain. Showcasing your skills. Creating a portfolio that pops. In the tech world, your portfolio is your resume's dynamic counterpart. It's a tangible showcase of your skills and accomplishments. As you complete projects, document them thoroughly and compile them into a portfolio. Include clear descriptions of each project, highlighting the technical skills and tools you utilized. When selecting projects for your portfolio, choose those that align with your desired career path. Your portfolio is a living document, so continuously update it with your latest and greatest work. A well-crafted portfolio can be your ticket to landing your dream tech job. Networking, your tech tribe awaits. Transitioning into tech is more than just acquiring skills. It's about joining a community. A tribe of like-minded individuals who are passionate about technology and eager to support each other's growth. Networking might seem intimidating, especially if you're new to the field. But remember, everyone starts somewhere. The tech community is known for its collaborative spirit and willingness to help newcomers. Think of networking as building relationships, not just collecting business cards. Engage in conversations, ask questions, and be genuinely interested in the people you meet. Authenticity is key. Online connections building bridges in the digital world. In today's digital age, networking extends far beyond physical events. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for building your professional network. Optimize your profile to reflect your tech aspirations, connect with people in your target industry, and engage in relevant groups and discussions. Online communities such as subreddits, Discord servers, and Slack channels provide platforms for connecting with like-minded individuals. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and share your knowledge. Follow tech influencers, thought leaders, and companies on social media platforms like Twitter and Mastodon. Engage with their content and participate in Twitter chats and live streams. Offline engagement expanding your network in person. While online networking is essential, don't underestimate the power of face-to-face interactions. Attending tech events, meetups, and conferences provides invaluable opportunities to connect with people in person. Meetups are typically smaller, more informal gatherings focused on specific technologies or interests. They're a great way to connect with people who share your passions and potentially discover job opportunities. Conferences and industry events offer larger-scale networking opportunities with keynote speakers, workshops, and often career fairs. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with people you don't know, follow up with the people you meet, and nurture those relationships over time. The power of mentorship. Finding your guiding stars. Having a mentor in the tech industry can be invaluable. A mentor is someone who can provide guidance, support, and advice as you navigate your tech journey. Look for mentors among your network, connect with people you admire on LinkedIn, or explore mentorship programs offered by tech organizations or online communities. When approaching potential mentors, be clear about your goals and be respectful of their time. Mentorship is a two-way street, so be open to learning from your mentor's experiences and sharing your own insights. As you progress in your tech career, your mentorship needs may evolve. Be open to seeking new mentors and paying it forward by mentoring others. Acing the tech interview, showcasing your best self. You've honed your skills, built your network, and landed an interview. Congratulations, this is your chance to shine. Tech interviews can vary widely from informal chats to multi-round assessments, but regardless of the format, the key is preparation. Research the company thoroughly, understand their products or services, and familiarize yourself with their culture and values. Practice your elevator pitch, a concise and compelling summary of your background, skills, and career aspirations. Be enthusiastic, engage in conversation, and let your personality shine through. Section 2. Cracking the code. Technical interviews demystified. Technical interviews assess your practical skills and problem-solving abilities. They involve coding challenges, algorithm problems, or system design questions. The key is practice, practice, practice. Use platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. Ask clarifying questions, think out loud, and explain your thought process. Interviewers value your problem-solving approach. Section 3. Beyond the code, mastering behavioral interviews. While technical skills are essential, tech companies also place high value on soft skills, cultural fit, and your ability to work effectively in a team. This is where behavioral interviews come in. Behavioral interview questions typically start with phrases like, "Tell me about a time when," or "Describe a situation where a." These questions aim to assess your past behavior as a predictor of future performance. Prepare for behavioral interviews by reflecting on your past experiences and identifying situations that demonstrate desired qualities like teamwork, leadership, communication, problem-solving, or adaptability. When answering behavioral questions, use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. Describe the situation, outline your task or role, explain the actions you took, and highlight the positive results you achieved. This structured approach ensures you provide a clear and concise response.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy.
The art of negotiation, securing your worth. Congratulations, you aced the interviews and received a job offer. Now comes the final stage, negotiation. Many tech professionals shy away from negotiation, but it's crucial. Research the salary range for your role and location. Websites like Glassdoor provide valuable insights. Don't be afraid to negotiate salary, benefits, and bonuses. Remember, your compensation should reflect your skills. Approach negotiation with a collaborative mindset. Be open to compromise, but don't undervalue your worth. Section 1. The Code to Transformation. Congratulations, you've reached the end of this guide, but it's just the beginning of your tech adventure. Switching careers is a journey, not a race. Take those first steps, build momentum, and keep learning. We've covered identifying skills to acing interviews. Tech is about problem-solving, communication, and creativity. Embrace change and push boundaries. You are capable of making this transition. The tech world needs your unique skills. There's a place for you in this dynamic industry. Now put everything you've learned into action. Take that first step, enroll in a course, attend a meetup. Every step brings you closer to your goal. Your future in tech starts now. Embrace the challenges and step outside your comfort zone. Seek mentorship and connect with others on the same journey. The tech community is supportive and welcoming. Demand for tech talent is increasing. Invest in yourself for a rewarding career. The future of technology is being written now. Your skills and perspectives are needed. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the unknown and start your tech transformation today. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Your future in tech starts now.